Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. In a large pot over medium-high heat, you want to bring some water to a boil, and then once it's boiling, you just want to add in your cavatappi, and then I'm just going to add in some salt. And then you just want to give it a nice stir. And then you just want to continue cooking this until they're nice and al dente. So while the pasta is cooking, we're going to start prepping the vegetables. And then I have here an onion, and I'm just chopping it up just into small pieces. And if you don't care too much for onions, you can go ahead and use less. And then here I have 2 onions, and I'm just going to chop it up also. And then just want to scar the ends. And right now I'm just shredding the cheese, and I do have 2 different kinds that I'm using. I do have mozzarella and cheddar. And then before I start shredding them, I did let it excuse me, I did let it stay at room temperature for at least a minute or 2, just so it'll be easier to work with. And if you don't care for these 2 cheeses, you can go ahead and use, whichever cheese that you like. I just love using a little mixture of both of these. Now that I'm done shredding them, I'm just going to mix it to combine. And then just set it aside until I'm ready to use. Over medium-high heat, when it's nice and hot, I'm going to add in the beef. And then just break it up to make it easier to work with. And once it's nice and broken down, I'm going to add in some onions. And then just going to give it a stir. And then cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the meat is browned. After a good couple of minutes, I'm going to add in the corn. The diced tomatoes. The tomato sauce. And then some Italian seasoning. Some garlic powder, and some salt and black pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a stir and cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. After a good couple minutes, I'm going to add in the pasta along with the cheese. And this is 2 cups that I'm using. And then I'm just going to stir them up to combine. If you have a bigger pot, then I would recommend using a bigger one. But oh boy, this looks delicious. And then you also want to taste for seasoning, and if you need more, then go ahead and add some more. But for me, this is perfect. Okay, then this looks good, and then I'm just going to turn off the heat. Make sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then here in my casserole dish, I did grease the side and the bottom, just so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to add some of my pasta mixture into the casserole dish. It's a little heavy, so I'm just scooping it a little at a time. But if you're super strong, then you go ahead and just pour everything in there. And then I'm just going to spread them out a little bit, just so it'll be nice and even. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to add in the remaining of the cheese. And this is about 1 cup. Just all over. Okay, and then this is ready to go into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay, you guys, I am so hungry and I've been waiting patiently for this moment. Okay, and it's a little hot too. There we go. It's steaming hot, you guys. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Cheers. Mm. Mm. Wow, you guys, that was so delicious. Everything was perfect. If you guys would like to give this recipe a try, I will have the measurements in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.